Uncle.
Careful.
No, this one.
No, this.
Yeah, first one is that.
Careful and now no.
Yeah.
Ah. Intro video.
So that. Some man on my.
She have panaritium in leg.
Okay.
This is why she get antibiotic. She have a bad leg. It's a bacteria. It's called panaritium. So she get antibiotic, norocilin, and Kerpri for the pain. And then she go home. Good girl. Good girl. Now she go home. Bye. Okay, bye.
All right. Turn two.
Okay, now she get PG. 4 cows, we give PG. It's a hormone. It's a pregnancy hormone. GnRH. Gonna breed. Will make them happy.
Yeah, this is to bring the cows to heat.
Yeah.
So that we can
It's to fix the sink.
Yeah.
This is off sink, and now we make the sink ready so we can inseminate. We want to get 1.5 cc. Yeah, very good. Good girl. Dr. Nicholas is the best.
Oh, the best in the world. He's taking selfie. The maximum is 2 cc.
Ah, 1.5. Now Uma now 2. Uma 2. Into 2 now woman.
But according to Woody, the recommended dosage is 1 cc. But sometimes it's not that effective, so 2.
Like to be sure. Yeah, 2 cc to be sure. Say 1.5.